trees, where the ocean meets the sky. I found my heart wandering with a glimmer in her eye. Long Honiara whispers secrets in the breeze. Every moment spent together feels like a sweet reprise. The long Honiara, we're dancing on the shore in this paradise of dreams. I keep wanting more. Nara, wantok, you light up my soul. With your staka love for me, you make me whole. Through the market's colors and laughter all around, we share our stories softly. It's magic that we found. Nara, woman by my side, like stars that brightly shine. You're my every heartbeat, your heart is intertwined. The long Honiara, we're dancing on the shore in this paradise of dreams. I keep wanting more. Nara, wantok, you light up my soul. With your staka love for me, you make me whole. Whoa, 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 whoa. Take everything from me. Whoa, whoa. Even when the sun sets and shadows start to fall, in your arms I'm anchored, together we stand tall. Every wave that's crashing tells our story true and bold. Long Honiara sings our love more precious than gold. Long Honiara, we're dancing on the shore in this paradise of dreams, forever craving more. Nara, girl, yeah, you stole my breath away. With your staka love for me, I'll never stray. Long Honiara calls us home, where hearts will intertwine. Beneath a like a similar bed, forever you'll be mine. Staka love for me, always close and near. Together in long Honiara, we have nothing to fear.
These lyrics aim to create a vivid picture of a romantic connection in long Honiara while embodying a catchy pop structure that invokes emotion and universality through themes of love and belonging.